Welcome to Barbecue Land. I'm Paul, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Piri Piri Chicken on the Monolith Junior Kamado BBQ. This one's been requested by Vinny, working really hard in our showroom over in Hitchin in Hertfordshire, who I know loves a cheeky barbecue Landos. We're going to be cooking the chicken over a medium heat, turning every 4 minutes until we reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's talk about that medium heat. If you're looking to get good results every time, what you should really learn to understand are the 4 basic ranges. So we have a low heat, which is between 200 and 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We have a medium heat, which is between 300 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We have a medium high heat, which is between 375 degrees and 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and anywhere above 450 degrees Fahrenheit is considered as a high direct heat. By sticking to that medium heat, what we're doing is we're keeping as much of that marinade on the surface of the chicken as possible to give us that extra burst of flavour that we're looking for, but also keeping it slower will allow the chicken to retain as much moisture as we possibly can. My next top tip with chicken is take a look at the size. It's thicker at one end and thinner at the other, which means when it goes onto the grill, it's going to cook a lot faster on the thinner end than it is the thicker end. So in this video, we're going to show you how to flatten out that chicken to try and make sure that we're grilling them at even temperature all the way throughout the cook, and you'll get a much better product. We're also going to be making some halloumi fries today. They're very easy. We're literally just going to take some halloumi, chop it into chips, put some peri peri salt on it, chuck it on the grill. Inside the grill, we've set it up with some lump wood and 3 natural fire starters. You notice the lump wood's been pushed right to the back. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to use the holes inside the firebox to get maximum airflow to start the grill as fast as possible. We're just going to take a lighter and light those 3 starters. We'll leave this going for 10 minutes and come back and check on it. To make our marinade, we're going to use half a cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup red wine vinegar, the juice of a lemon, 3 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 4 garlic cloves, and a teaspoon of black pepper and sea salt, and 2 chillis. So we'll start by putting the oil into the blender, our red wine vinegar, lemon juice, paprika, salt and pepper. Just going to chop this up to help the blender. Take our garlic, chop them up a little bit. Get our lid on. We'll give this a blend. Our next step is to take our halloumi. Half. Cut that into rough chip size shapes. We're going to take those halloumi chips and we're going to hit them with some barbecue Lando's peri peri salt. Turn. Again on the other side. The 3 chicken breasts, as you can see, it tapers down to one side. So what we want to do is we want to get these pretty even. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a Ziploc bag, place our chicken breasts in there, do 2 at a time, add a little bit of oil, take our bottle and give them a whooping. Next we'll take a bag, a grate tip, fold the top over, then we can handle the chicken, and we'll put the chicken inside the bag, and then when we take our gloves off and fold it over, there won't be any raw chicken on the outside of the bag. Let's take those chicken breasts, take our marinade from earlier in the bag, I'm excited about these. Look at the colour. What we're going to do, give that a good mix. Ideally you'd put this in the fridge overnight. If you've got half an hour, you've got half an hour. If you've got an hour, great. Let's just marinate this for as long as you possibly can. So our grill's right where we want it, 350 degrees. So let's take our chicken. Cook this 4 minutes with the lid down. After 4 minutes, I'm going to give these a turn. Nicely. What we'll also do, these in that clean part of the grill. We're going to give our chicken another flip. The idea, as you can see, we've still got this marinade on this chicken. If we would have went at a high heat, we would have just burnt off that chicken. We would have just burnt off that marinade and lost all that goodness. Just to give you an idea where we are, it's been 8 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We're at 126. So we're looking to get 165 on these chicken breasts, so it's probably going to go another 6 to 7 minutes. It's been 3 minutes. Give this chicken another flip. So let's take off our halloumi. In 3 minutes. Let's take a look where we are. Our chicken's looking good on the grill. It's time to take it off. Then we're going to take some Greek style bread, put that on the grill and flip it after 30 seconds or so. So our build is nice and easy. To these Greek flatbreads we'll add some Italian rocket. Some our chicken. No guessing which one's mine. Some garlic Marrinade. And there you have it. Barbecue Landos, double chicken in pita bread, spicy rice, halloumi fries, peri peri sauce, and some Marrinade. Thanks for watching the video today. It was delicious. How about you give this one a go and tag us in on our Instagram page. Vinny, same goes for you as well. I'm sure you would have loved this one. Also, don't forget to check out our YouTube channel where chefs Jack and Dan are cooking up some fantastic food on multiple types of grills, from the Monoliths to Kamado Joe's, Master Built, Unis and Traeger, with lots more to come. So thank you. All the best.